Used to be, police officers relied on training, intuition, some contacts in the underworld, and their partner to take that bite out of crime. But in New York City, they just got a new tool: Apple iPhones. It's Tuesday, February 6th, and welcome to DT Daily. That's right, the NYPD is handing out iPhone 7 and 7 Plus handsets to the men and women on the beat, to the tune of about 36,000 handsets. The iPhones are replacing an aging fleet of Nokia Windows phones. So far, the changeover is getting high marks from officers and their superiors. One officer said it was the ultimate tool to have as a patrol cop. Police will use the phones to take photos and video and, of course, communicate with each other, citizens, and headquarters. NYPD officials say they've already seen a 14% drop in response times by officers using the new phones. We just want to know what kind of iPhone cases the cops are using. Speaking of smartphones, they can be distracting, as we all know, but that's an especially big problem while driving, and France is having none of it, or at least less of it. A French publication reports that new laws stipulate that it's now illegal to hold or use your phone while driving, or even while you're just in the car, even if it's stopped. It's only legal to chat or text while in specific designated phone OK parking spots, or if you've just been in a crash, ironically. French drivers are fairly notorious for their enthusiastic driving, and a recent rise in accident rates after a long decline has officials eyeing the ever-addicting cell phone as a possible cause. A recent drop in rural speed limits has already made drivers angry, and this probably won't help much. Get caught driving while phoning in France? That'll be 135 euros, please, or about $166. Sacré. Still think driving electric is a distant tree-hugger dream? Porsche apparently disagrees. After initially pledging to sink several $billion into the electrification and hybridization of their iconic sports cars, the Stuttgart-based automaker has now literally doubled down on that pledge and says it'll drop well over $7 billion on the conversion strategy. Why? Many Euro governments are now eyeing future bans on petrol vehicles, at least in major cities. The super cool Mission E concept car will be a key player, and it's getting closer to production finalization, even though, it's a concept car. But the E could be the signature model in Porsche's fast-growing electric stable of cool electric cars. The Mission E is reportedly on track for a 2019 production launch, with nearly 700 horsepower on tap and over 300 miles of range in top trim. Oh, and it seats 4, just like Tesla's upcoming Roadster refresh. But one big advantage the E may have: the ability to recharge to 80% in just 15 minutes, which is quite a bit faster than a Tesla. Hey, we can kill 15 minutes on Facebook without even thinking about it. So much for that range and charging time problem. Hit the link for more on Porsche's plans and for all the rest of today's news, including a wrap-up of today's SpaceX Falcon Heavy launch. Head on over to Digital Trends. Don't forget to stop by our Facebook page and YouTube channel as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.